Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Miss Mwethi, and if you're new here, karibu sana, feel at home. And if you are a returning subscriber, you already know you are the real MVP. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. And guys, today I have a new vlog, a new video that I know you guys will mtapenda. Hii nayo mtapenda. Alright? So guys, today I just thought, why not install or put my own false lashes? You know, I've seen people doing it, but for the single ones, na mimi hizo, niliona ni kazi mingi. So I thought, let me just start with this, the beginner ones, the ones that are full. You know, yes. So nilikuwa nishazitoanisha jana, and zinakaa hivi. So they are kind of human because you can recycle as many times as possible until they wear out. Yeah, so they are from Lady Beauty. Yes, Lady Beauty eyelash 001. I don't know even what that means. Nilichukua tu. Then I have some pair of scissors just in case I need to, trim kidogo. And then some pair of tweezers as well for putting. But unaanga pia watu wakieka na mikono, so I'll try both. Nione ni gani itanisaidia either mikono ama hii. And then I have the bonding glue. I'm not sure if it's the best for putting. So guys, comment down there when you wanekanga, please niambieni how do you put your lashes? Ama mnaendanga kuwekwa. Kama mnaendanga kuwekwa wanatumianga nini? Alright, but me naonanga most of the makeup artists, they use another one gray, like, because this one is kind of black. Yeah, and then I have my camera over here. So guys, please, if you haven't hit that subscription button, the notification bell, please do so that when I get to upload a new video, you get to be notified. Please, who are you watching this video? Abego, who are you watching this video? Kama huja subscribe, guys. We are road to 1,000 subscribers. So please, support this growing girl. Support this growing mama, alright? And more content will be loading each and every day. Alright, guys? So it's you to give me the motivation. It's you to push me. And I give you something in return. So guys, like I said, I'm a beginner in this. I'm not really sure if it will work. If it doesn't work, please msinicheke. Ukinicheka nitakupiga block. Nitakufuata na nitajua umecheka na nitakupiga block ingine mbaya sana hapo. So, but I'm optimistic. I know itatokea poa sana. So guys, so without much further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, imagine I'm so tensed. I'm so tensed. Well, but let's see. So I'm really not sure if this is the right side. Yeah, actually I'm right. This is for this side and this other one is for this side. So this is my glue. So guys, these are my lashes, and then this is my mirror, and then we have the bonding glue, the tweezers, and the scissors. Yeah. So guys, let's do this. So I'm going to put that one. And then I apply. Usieke mingi because you don't know how many times you're going to repeat. So but literally you don't have to put a lot. Yes. And then since I don't have a blow dry, because you must wait for it at least to dry a bit. Kidogo tu. You give it around 40 seconds or so. Sasa, which one did we say it's for which eye? This one is for this one. So let me see if I can manage with a tweezer. Okay. Guy, look at this one. Hey. How do you hold it, guys? No. Guys, look at this. It's hanging. It's hanging. Uko juu. Let me try it in my hands. Well, guys, what do you think? Let me come closer. See, guys. It's really not good enough. Like, I feel but it's way too up. It's not really close to my other lashes. You have to remove it. You see, even it hasn't like stuck properly. Hey. Have you ever felt like giving up and it's only take one? Because tell me why it's not sticking the way it's supposed to. Let's try again, guys. Don't give up. Namsicheki yaki, guys. Mimi nimeshindwa kuweka na tweezer, so I'm just going to try with my hands, with my fingers. So another take. Guys. At this point I even feel like crying. What is going on? Hey, gosh. It almost went with my eye.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
My eyes ingeshikana hivi. Nikae sijui aje. Oh my god. Wow, but look at that, guys. I feel like I've achieved it.
Oh my god! Wow!
Where? Eish, look at that. Look at that, guys. Hey, but karibu ende na nini yangu aki.
God have mercy upon us.
So for me, I think it's really working well with the fingers, my hands, other than the tweezers. Yeah. So lakini ilikuwa imenishtua guys. Karibu ende na nini jicho yangu. We, let's see. We've achieved for the first eye. Let's see. Yeah, you shouldn't like bring it too much close to your nini hapa mwisho. So now venye imefit vizuri. Yeah, I think that's how you should put it, if I'm not wrong. Though guys, you'll tell me if I'm correct. What is that? Pray for me guys. I hope itakuwa pap. Damn! Kama tumeondokea. Let's see. I think that's why most people prefer the other ones. I don't know. I think kila mtu akona nini yake. It has come too much close to my eye, to upper mwisho. I can literally feel it. So we're just going to go another take. Still the same. I'm really not sure if this is how they're put. I don't know. I saw it on YouTube. And guys, tell me something. I don't know why when we're making makeup, so guys, when we're doing asking, makeup, is it just me who opens their mouth like this when they're doing their makeup? Do you mean najipatanga every time? Happy comes and ananifunga hivi ananiambia funga mdomo. Najipata tena nimefungua. So guys, look at that.
Eternity later.
What do you think? Can I come closer? Okay, I'm comfortable. I can close and open. I'm very comfortable. See, feel weird. Tell me guys, what do you think? What do you think about it? Wow. And you see, they are intact. So kumanisha glue imefit vizuri. You see? They are intact. Yeah, and for me, wow, nimezipenda. Yeah. And it's just for a beginner. Na niki improve. And I just saw a tutorial kwa YouTube and I was like, wow, I need to see it. So guys, look at that. And then now you can do your light makeup, your simple makeup, and you're good to go. Oops. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. So cutesy. So demure. Now you can have your mascara on. You can have your... Hey, guys. Look at that. Aren't they cute? Aren't they beautiful? But I'm also going to try the single lash. These ones are kind of better. Okay, I'm not sure. I'll try both to see ni gani iko poa. But for now, let's glow with these ones. Yeah guys. So guys, comment down below and tell me, how do you do yours, or rather wanafanyanga aje, watu ufanyaji. Maybe nimefanya the wrong way, though sijasumbuka sana. I thought ningesumbuka sana, but I'm a lucky girl. Yeah. So guys, I think I'll come to the end of this video. I know it was short, but more content is coming. Yeah. So guys, stay safe, stay hydrated until the next video. Bye bye. And guys, remember to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a cousin to tell everyone to subscribe to this channel. Alright guys, so until next time, bye bye. Mwah.